So it's allergy season and your baby is sneezing. Do they have allergies? Well, the answer is no. Babies are called obligatory nose breathers, which means they can only breathe through their nostrils. And so if there's any mucus in there, it makes it difficult for them to breathe. And so they sneeze to try and get that cleared out, okay? So if your baby is sneezing, they just need to have some saline drops and a bulb suction to get that nostril, to get that mucus out. This is Dr. Obedi, CEO of Newborn Prep Academy and pediatrician at Partners in Pediatrics and Family Health. Share this with a friend who has a newborn baby during this allergy season. They will thank you for it.